Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can register to Qatar National Bank's online banking account from the app itself. So you need to download the QNB mobile app either from your Play Store or App Store. As you can see, I've already downloaded the app. So once downloaded, open the app, then tap on the QNB login option, which is on the upper left corner of the screen. Once you tap that, on the bottom of the screen you will see a register now option. Tap on it. Then enter your debit card or credit card PIN number in this box. Then afterwards create your new username in this box. You also need to create a new password, which you have to type in this box, then retype the password, and then afterwards when you fill all of these questions, tap on the submit button and follow the instructions till the end. So that's how you can register to the QNB's, that's Qatar National Bank's online banking account. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.